Hi guys, Frank here with Build Your Own, and today we're kicking off an exciting new series focused on the Kenwood Excelon DMX809S. This feature-packed digital multimedia receiver is not just any upgrade, it's a significant enhancement from the base stereo of my 2013 Ram 1500, designed to elevate your driving experience with its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface. In this video, we'll take a broad look at its capabilities, setting the stage for more in-depth tutorials on each feature in future videos. So whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about what this system can do, stick around. The Kenwood Excelon Reference Series represents a new standard in audio excellence. These products are constructed with state-of-the-art materials and designed to meet the needs of the most demanding music enthusiasts. The DMX809S embodies this legacy, packed with features and capabilities that cater to those who value top-notch audio and multimedia performance. Starting off with the standout features of the Kenwood Excelon DMX809S, take a look at this impressive 6.8-inch WVGA monitor. It's equipped with a capacitive touch panel that not only delivers a crystal clear display, but also offers responsive and intuitive control. The smooth swipe functionality allows for effortless navigation through all your settings and features. The DMX809S offers robust smartphone connectivity through both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, catering to all users regardless of their device preference. With wireless functionality, you can connect your smartphone without the hassle of cables cluttering your dashboard. Apple CarPlay allows you to leverage the power of Siri for voice commands or interact directly with the receiver's touchscreen. Get directions via Apple Maps, make phone calls, send and receive text messages, and stream music from services like Apple Music or Spotify. The system also supports third-party navigation apps such as Google Maps and WAZE, keeping you well informed and focused while driving. For Android users, Android Auto brings a similar level of convenience and safety. It minimizes distractions by offering a voice control interface that integrates seamlessly with the large touchscreen of the DMX809S. Navigate with ease using Google Maps or WAZE, manage your music through apps like Pandora and Spotify, and handle calls and messages without taking your eyes off the road. Both systems support wireless connections through Kenwood's Wi-Fi receivers, enhancing your multimedia experience without the need for physical cables. Android users will appreciate the USB mirroring feature on the DMX809S, which allows for true mirroring of your smartphone's display. This feature seamlessly integrates your mobile apps with the receiver's screen. Whether it's for navigation, media playback, or managing calls, control is at your fingertips. To get started, simply install the Mirroring OA for Kenwood app on your smartphone, then connect it to the receiver via USB cable and Bluetooth. This setup not only brings your apps to a larger display, but also enhances the sound quality, making every interaction more enjoyable and effective. Experience crystal clear audio with the built-in HD radio tuner. Unlike traditional radio, HD radio delivers a superior sound experience with no subscription fees. Enjoy additional digital channels and CD quality sound on FM stations. Customize your audio like never before with the 13-band graphic equalizer and digital time alignment. Tailor each frequency to match your taste and adjust the sound staging to optimize audio based on your seating position, ensuring every note hits perfectly. Enhance your driving safety with 3 camera inputs. Connect a front camera for better visibility, a rear view camera with parking guidelines, and a parking assist camera to cover all angles. Switch seamlessly between views for comprehensive coverage around your vehicle. For the audiophiles aiming for that extra punch, the DMX809S features 3 5-volt Preouts. These high-voltage outputs ensure cleaner sound quality and allow for additional amps to enhance your system's power without distortion. The Kenwood Music Mix feature lets you pair up to 5 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, allowing you and your passengers to take turns playing DJ. Switch between devices with ease, keeping everyone entertained on the road. Stay connected with dual phone connectivity. Link 2 smartphones via Bluetooth and switch between them with a simple touch. Manage calls, messages, and playlists from multiple devices without the need to reconnect. Combat road noise effectively with the Drive EQ. This feature boosts specific frequencies in your audio signal to overcome the impact of road noise, ensuring your music remains pristine and powerful even during noisy conditions. Match the mood inside your vehicle with variable color illumination. Adjust the receiver's display to complement your dashboard lighting, enhancing the aesthetic of your car's interior with bright, customizable colors. Installation is a breeze with the short chassis design. The DMX809S is shallower than previous models, allowing for a smoother installation process and a wider variety of vehicles. Expand your display capabilities with HDMI input. Connect your smartphone or other devices via an HDMI cable to view your screen on the receiver, perfect for sharing videos or apps with passengers. Stream your favorite tunes effortlessly. Whether it's through popular music apps or files stored on your device, enjoy basic audio controls and high-quality playback directly through the receiver. Take your media on the road. The DMX809S allows you to play back video and audio files directly from USB devices. Enjoy a variety of content in your vehicle, supported in several popular file formats, ensuring your entertainment is as mobile as you are. Okay, that wraps up our broad overview of the Kenwood Excelon DMX809S. This incredible multimedia receiver is not only packed with features, but also built to enhance your driving experience with superior audio and video capabilities. We've just scratched the surface today. Stay tuned as I dive deeper into each feature in my upcoming videos. From basic operations to advanced settings like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I'll cover everything you need to maximize your in-car multimedia experience. I'll also explore real-world usage, compare it with other models, and provide tips to keep your system in top shape. Don't miss out on any of my detailed tutorials. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Each video in this series will build on what we've introduced today, giving you comprehensive guidance and insider tips on making the most of your Kenwood Excelon DMX809S. And I want to hear from you. After each video, I'll be here to answer your questions and discuss your comments. It's a great way to connect and ensure you get the most out of this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.